Hi there, piano players. This is a video on minor chords. So there's a video up here already about major chords and the formula to finding major chords. We looked at a few major chords in that video. We didn't do all of them. We were sort of going over the formula and how to find and how to create triad, in particular major chords. Triad meaning three notes. So we looked at, I think we definitely looked at A major, and I think we looked at B major, and I think we looked at C major. So finding, I'll go through both ways for this. So much like a major chord, when you start off with your root notes, if you're looking for C, we'll go over C major quickly. You start with your root note, which is C, and then you count 4 semitones, one, and not including C. So we start on C, we don't count C. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's us finding our next note in the chord, and then from there we count 3 semitones, 1, 2, 3, and there we have. And that formula works for every major chord that you want to find. So with that in mind, to find the minor, you can do it one of two ways. The first way is you start with your root note, and if we're going to look for C minor, we're going to count this time not 4 semitones but 3 semitones from the root note. 1, 2, 3. And then from that note that we found, our next this note that we've just found, we're going to count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we have it. You have C minor. Now that formula will work again with any major chord that you want to turn into a minor chord. So you want to find minor chord, that formula will work. So instead of it being root 4 semitones, then 3 semitones, it's root 3 semitones and then 4 semitones. Now, the more easier way, I think, is to find your major that say you want to do an A minor, you play A major and you flatten your middle note. So if we're going to be, sort of using technical words here, we've got our root, our third, and our fifth. I'm sorry about the notifications. I can't. Right, on the phone, it keeps buzzing, I'm afraid. I will try and sort that out in future videos. But yeah, so that one, and then we're going to flatten this note, the middle note, by 1 semitone. So 1 semitone backwards would be not here, but here. Okay, and it's the same with, let's do C again. So we've got C major, and to make it into a minor chord, we're going to flatten the middle note by 1 semitone. And you go down, not up. So don't go up. Make sure you're going this way. Works with all of them. F major, middle one, we're going to flatten it by 1 semitone. And the same with G major. Going to flatten the middle. It's always the middle. It's never this last finger or the first finger. It's always the middle one when you're doing this, by a semitone. So there we go. Maybe go off and have a little experiment and see, the major chords that you found already. Maybe try and make them into minor chords by doing that. You can use the other method as well by counting semitones. That's totally fine. Whatever works for you, really. Yeah, I hope that's helped. And again, any questions, I think you can leave comments now. You can also talk to me in lesson. You can also, your parents can email me too. So that's absolutely fine. Cool. Well done, everybody. Great job. And I'll see you all soon. Take care. Bye.